In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Canva. To get started, open the Canva website in your browser or launch the Canva app on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you're using a web browser, make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the sign-in options appear properly. This helps avoid confusion, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once Canva is open, look for the Login button. You'll usually find it near the top of the screen, and it's the option you'll use if you already have an account. Go ahead and click or tap Login to move to the sign-in page. Next, choose the sign-in method you want to use. Canva gives you several options, which may include signing in with your email, Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, or another available method depending on your device and region. The best choice is usually the same method you used when you first created your Canva account. Using the original sign-in method helps you access the correct account and all of your saved designs. If prompted, enter your login details. This could mean typing in your email address and password, or confirming your identity through the account provider you selected, such as Google or Apple. Take a moment to enter everything carefully to avoid sign-in errors. If you're on a personal device, you may also see an option to stay signed in, which can save time the next time you open Canva. On a shared or public device, it's better not to use that option for privacy and security. After your details are accepted, Canva will sign you in and take you to the Canva home screen. This is your main dashboard, where you can start a new design, open existing projects, or browse templates and tools. Seeing the home screen confirms that the login process was successful. If the page doesn't load right away, just give it a few seconds. In some cases, refreshing the page or reopening the app can help. And if you accidentally choose the wrong sign-in method, simply go back and try the one connected to your account. That's all it takes to log into Canva. Once you're on the home screen, you're ready to begin creating your designs.